Good job, honey. Good job, Marin. I want to hear some more. The kitty's down there, yeah. Good job, buddy. You even match your drum today. Good job! You trying to get them both? Good work, honey. Keep trying. Yeah. That's where you keep the beat, and then you gotta use the other one to add some frills or something. Is that the end? Oh, switching hands. Good job, Marin.